Hi guys, and thank you for joining me for another Armand's Tech Talk. I am, of course, your master of ceremonies, Armand, and today we've got a new product to show you, a new product to unbox, so let's get started. Today, I bring you the Netgear Nighthawk S8000. So this is going to be a switch that I am very much planning on using as I am changing the layout of the recording setup. As you can see behind me, there is a different look that has appeared comparatively to my past videos. I am, of course, going to go ahead and change this again. I am actually still in the process of finalizing a great desk for this. So this is going to end up connecting my PC and my Switch and the PlayStation 4 Pro, which is back behind me here. That's going to end up connecting to a Netgear Nighthawk X4 router, which is not their newest incarnation. It actually, I think at this point, is 2 to 3 years old. So some of the features of this switch: it has 7 ports on it. There are 7 downstreams and 1 up, of course, to go back to the router or the modem if you're directly connecting into those. One of the great things about this switch right here is the fact that you can go ahead and aggregate the ports. So if you have a device, whether it's a workstation, desktop, server, network attached storage, you can, and it has 2 Ethernet jacks on it, you want that extra speed, you can go ahead and aggregate the ports on this, connect it to that, and you're in business for all the bandwidth you may need. There are, of course, more advanced switches out there. There are those switches that can do 10 gig E, which, I mean, if you're a small business, that might be something to look into. However, at that point, you're spending several $100s. This, at the time of purchase, was $99.99 on Amazon. So the feature set, of course, it is managed through the online interface, and it's going to be an interesting time testing this device. I'm looking forward to do that. But let's give you guys a look. So let me pull it out of the box here. I've always liked Netgear's packaging. They've always had good packaging. So, of course, as you can see here, it just kind of fits in this little wedge. Let's see if that comes off real quick, because of course it does. Oh, I just love the smell of electronics in the morning or in the evening. We have our power adapter. You know what? The packaging may actually be right here in my hands, or the instructions. Oh, yeah, there we go. So we have the installation guide, of course. It'll come in an envelope just like this. And that's pretty much everything in the box. Switches are pretty straightforward to set up. The business class is a little bit more difficult depending upon the Cisco networking OS that is installed on Switch. But home switch is pretty simple. It's mostly just plug and play. So as you can see here, the Switch does, of course, carry forward the design of the Netgear. It's the Nighthawk series, the X series. Basically, actually, I think it might even go back a little bit further to the original Nighthawk, which was a AC 1900 router, I believe. I don't quite remember the model number on that one. But that was a 3 antenna 3x3 MIMO device, which looked like a stealth bomber. This, of course, keeps that stealth bomber kind of look. It's very angular. This little section here is supposed to light up when active. And let's just flip this around. Here you can see the power plug. You have 1 through 7 for your connectors, and then of course you have your 8 as your uplink. The other side here, what am I looking at here? A switch, and the switch here on the back. Let me get this thing to focus. Hello, computer. There we go. This on the back, of course, is the button to control the lights on the LEDs. Whether it's these here in the back, which of course will light up when you plug in the device or plug in a cable that has an active device, or once again, the light here in the front. So that was a quick unboxing for you guys of the S8000 Netgear Nighthawk switch. I'm going to be using this over the next week, and I will actually come back and tell you how I feel about the performance, how I feel it's affected, and at some point I may attempt to do some tests on the aggregation of the throughput on the switch and see how that works with a piece of network attached storage. That'll come a little bit later on. As I make these videos, it'll be nice to have something that I can record off to that is not directly attached to the computer. Like some other YouTube channels, I actually at this time don't use a separate machine for recording and capturing of the recording. I am recording and capturing on the same device. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this quick unboxing, please let me know. Give me that thumbs up. Let's try this because I'm a little out of frame. So as I said, give me that thumbs up. If you don't mind the slight gaffes, let me know. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you don't like. If you're going to give me a thumbs down, please make a comment below so I can understand and make these videos better and something that you actually will get some entertainment or information out of and enjoy. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.